Hello, Professor. This is Divyesh Parekh, and I'm here with my project, Recycled Plastic Footwear. So, it is a project made from recycled plastic, corkscrew, and algae. Here is the selection criteria for my product, respectively. It has 7 components in it, as you see, and they are human need, affordability, sustainability, stability, customer convenience, market availability, profit margin, and the total, as you see in this slide, is 59 out of 670. Here is the objective tree for my product, which has affordability and the subcomponents of it. So goes for the convenience, performance, and convenient and eco-friendly. Here's the customer market and competitor analysis. As you see, in America, an average American is responsible for over 280 pounds of plastic waste. Converting that waste into a widely useful product would attract a great population, as people with green thumb are eager to help change the script. So I got an idea to make this product which is profitable, as it's made from recycled plastic. Moreover, it's also cheap for consumers and it's lucrative. From 2016, the market growth has been flourishing, and by 2027, it would be at compound rate of 5.8%. However, the people or the countries who cannot afford this expensive brand could enjoy this luxury of a shoe brand at cheap price. Moreover, highlighting my point, an important tag from the USA would make the product more attractive. This is a product specification. It's made from sustainable materials, like 55% of it is at least recycled material, and sole is made from at least 65% recycled TPU. Those are some product features down below, which which state which states that recycle upper stretches to conform to foot for stable and comfortable support. The laces offer us is no customization and fast operation. Lightweight, flexible, balanced, and durable, comfy and secure fit, sustainable and sleek are one of the characteristics of this impeccable specimen. This is a process specification. I will try to make it creative as possible. Uh, give me a moment. So here's a shoe body, which is made from recycled plastic, PET bottles. Then we have algae foam sole, which is made from dried harmful algae, and EVA, which is synthetic material. We have shoelaces, which is made from organic cotton, and then lastly we have inner sole, which is made from corkscrew. These all form these all are converted into a recycled plastic shoe. Here is the cost and economic analysis. Give me a moment. As you see, this is the cost analysis of my product, which states event, guerrilla marketing, social media, and giving away. Moreover, the economic analysis of the of recycled plastic market size is from 2016 to 2027 in USD is as follows. Thank you.